Hey everybody, this is Joshua, CEO of SEO Design Lab. And today, guys, I'm going to show you a new feature that DataForSEO has released, which is their MCP server to Claude, ChatGPT, and other LLMs. And essentially, we've actually been using this for the last 2 months. This right here will allow us to use like Claude Desktop and ask it for competitor analysis or keyword research on our target keyword, also backlinking profile, cost per clicks for the target keywords, all these types of things that traditionally SEMrush or Ahrefs would do for us. Using data for SEO has been a way more affordable option because like Ahrefs is $100 a month for just the baseline, and SEMrush might be something like 100, 150 or whatever. And they're becoming very ancient in this new age, especially with the MCPs. And we're able to actually scale our agency as well as save thousands of dollars per month. So let me give you an example of what we're talking about here for today. So if you have not already, go create a account for Data for SEO. Go fund it some balance. We put like 50 bucks. You can put 10, $5, whatever you want. Once you have that information, you want to come over to API and get your username, get your password, get your API credentials, because you're going to want to put that into your settings of the Claude desktop. And once you put your settings in underneath the developer option, you'll get access to, for example, so here's Data for SEO. It has over 49 different MCP tools that we can actually call on, right? So relative, keyword, domains, organic for SERPs, locations, all these things. So it's pretty useful. Let's just ask it what it has access to. So we're just going to click here. And so right here, it lists, SERP and organic search, keyword research and analysis tools, competitor and domain analysis tools, backlinking tools, historical time. You get the idea. So this is really huge. And we're just going to do a quick little sample run. I just kind of wanted to get this video out and show you guys this brand new update the email I got. So I thought I would share it with the community. So what I would do is let's just take any one of these. It really doesn't even matter. I don't want Google Ads. Let's get right here. This is probably a good one. Can you use this for our target keyword? And let's just say Brooklyn tree removal. Okay. And now what this is going to do is actually call the MCP server so that way we can get this information right here in Claude instead of having to go to like SEMrush or Ahrefs or anything like that. Look at this. So we know this particular keyword gets roughly 320 searches a month. We know tons more information like cost per click, right? And then we could also ask, can you give us the SERP for this? You literally could probably just ask it very generic questions and it's going to be smart enough to recall on the MCP. So you just want to hit always allow for this. So right now this is doing a organic live search of the top SERP listings of businesses that are on page 1. Okay. So here's our customer right here, which is pretty cool. It pulled it straight from there. And we also could do, can you do a full keyword research on the target keyword as well as SV and CPC and DR? Right, because we want to know the search volume, we want to know the cost per click, we want to know the DRs or the KDs for the keyword difficulties. You can go on all day with this. So obviously I just hit allow. So I just want to get keyword suggestions based off of the target keyword. Just going to hit always allow. This would save tons of time and money right here. This is insanity. Okay, so we just want to go ahead and allow this again. This is for a different tool. Each one of these are different tools. Okay, so it's going to get related keywords now, not just suggestions or ideas. There we go. So now it's going to draft up the artifact, which will have all this detail in there. There we go. Look at this. Is just like SEMrush report, but just way better. So we have all these high volume related keywords right here to our target. These would be great things to add. We can see the cost per click, the difficulty, the intent, long tail opportunities. I mean, this is just great stuff. This would have taken me hours. Look, we also got Christmas tree, removal of Brooklyn. And I apologize if you guys hear notifications going off in the background. My Slack is going absolutely crazy as soon as I started recording this video. And then you get the highlight right here of basically our report, the key highlights. So if you guys have found value in this, please make sure you like, subscribe, bell notifications on, share to your friends, all that good stuff. Because what we're trying to do here is make you a better business owner or an entrepreneur by using these cutting edge techniques. So thanks for watching and take care, everybody. Bye-bye.